Here's how you can stay informed with what's happening in the news without skipping a beat. This is your Alexa feature to try. So you have your Echo device. Now make sure you get your daily news. Alexa Flash Briefing can help you stay up to date on the latest news when and where you need it. And there are plenty of providers to choose from. First things first, you have to set it up. Pull out your phone and open your trusty Alexa app. Set up your Flash Briefing in the app by going to More, Settings, scroll down to News, select Flash Briefing, then build your Flash Briefing with the type of content you want to hear. And voila! For me, I like to listen to Flash Briefings as I'm getting ready in the morning. Alexa, play Flash Briefing.
Getting your Flash Briefing.
It's as easy as that.